welcome back to my channel. So I'm so happy to have you back. So today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my beauty secrets. Yes, one of my beauty secrets. So if you want to glow like me, just keep watching this video. So if you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe and click the bell that is just right beside the subscribe button so that you will always be notified anytime I drop a new video on this channel. Like this video and also share it with your friends. So the secret I'm actually talking about is in my cup. Actually check my channel, you will discover that I love moringa because it has numerous benefits. I mean, it is a 360 plants because you could actually consume it, use it for your body, use it for your hair, use it for your skin, just like the way I'm going to show you on in this video. Okay, so moringa contains numerous benefits, a lot of vitamins, a lot of antioxidants yeah, a lot of antioxidants that is very good for your skin. So if you have problem with your skin, you should actually consider using moringa for your skin because it will be very helpful for your skin. And do not forget to check my other videos on numerous benefits of moringa. I actually use moringa paste, on how you could actually use moringa paste for your hair, which is what I actually use for my hair, on how you could actually extract the moringa oil for your hair as well. So without taking so much of your time, let's just go right into the procedure. Let's go there. So one of the ingredients I'll be using to make the scrub is, of course, a moringa. If you check my previous video, you will see that I use a lot of moringa. So this is the one I use for my hair that remain, and I usually use it as a body scrub for my skin. So moringa has numerous benefits to the health, both if you consume it, both consumption and applying it on the outer part of your body. It contains a lot of helpful vitamins and minerals. It contains antioxidants that will help make your skin glow. So what I'm gonna do is to add just 1 full spoon of this, because I'm just gonna be showing you how I make this moringa scrub for my skin. Also here I have sugar. Sugar will actually help exfoliate the skin when you're applying this scrub to your body. So I'm just gonna add, this is half a teaspoon, but I'll be adding 1 tablespoon. Okay, so I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar to this. And I have here also the extra virgin olive oil. So when you're making this body scrub at home, make sure that the oil that you're going to use is actually an extra virgin olive oil, because this extra virgin olive oil is not over processed like regular olive oils that is in the market, and it's still almost in what I will call a natural state. Contains helpful antioxidants that will help make you moisturize your skin and actually help smoothen your skin and give you that glowy look that you're actually looking for with us. So I'm gonna add, okay, yeah, just 2 teaspoons of this is just enough. Then I will not forget my honey. Honey is very good for skin. I mean, it works like, it's very good for skin. It contains a lot of antioxidants, and this is actually a natural honey. It's not kind of like synthetic honey, so it will help supple your skin, and when you apply this on your skin, it's something that you are actually going to like it. So it's actually a bit solidified because I actually left it in my fridge. So I'm just gonna add, okay, just a teaspoon of the honey is just perfect. So don't forget, if you're making this thing for the whole of your body, definitely you will need more of this moringa. So this is how it looks. This is like green goodness. So the next thing I'm gonna add is my coconut milk. Yeah, I'm gonna add the coconut milk because coconut is very good for the skin. So I'm just gonna take all the goodness of coconut into the, so let's add the coconut milk. Okay, just 2 teaspoons of the coconut milk. So as I was just preparing it, I just discovered that it's, you can see it's kind of like watery, so this means that I'm gonna add a little of the sugar to it, and I'm also going to add another spoon of the moringa because I want the scrub to not be a bit of the liquid, so I just want it to be in a medium state. Okay, so after preparing this, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you how you're going to apply this moringa body scrub to your body, using my finger to explain it to you, because of course I usually apply this for the whole of my body, but I can't just take it to my bathroom now. So I pray that my finger is just, my hand I mean, is just going to help. So I'm just gonna take this and apply it all over my hand in a circular motion. You just see the way I'm applying this, so in a circular motion. But if you would love to see a full video of me applying this on my whole body, kindly let me know in the comment section below, and I'm just going to apply it and show you how this actually feels. So I'm just applying them. I just have to tell you, before you apply this on your body, make sure that you have a lot of water in your house, because you are going to, because it's going, you'll be needing a lot of water to rinse this off. So you just keep applying it on a circular motion. I don't know, can you see how my skin looks like just applying this on my hand? So I'm just gonna recommend, after applying this on your body, you're gonna leave it for like 10 minutes before you wash it off. So what I usually do is that once I'm about to have my scrub, because I usually have a scrub on Saturdays every week, so before I start brushing, I already prepared this, and I'm just going to apply the moringa scrub first on my body before I actually cleanse my face, before I actually do my dental hygiene, my oral hygiene. So by the time I finish with that, the benefit of the moringa scrub the benefit of the moringa scrub has actually started working on my body. So just leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes before you wash it off. So I'll just go wash this off, and I'm gonna come back and show you how it looks. Okay, so this is how my hand looked after I washed off the actually enjoy the procedure, and you're going to try it out. Please, when you try this procedure out, do not forget to come back to this channel and tell me how it actually worked for you. And do not forget to share this information that you just got from this channel to your friends and your family. Anybody that is your friend, just share it. Just as I shared this information, you shouldn't withhold this information. Okay, just share this information with your friends as well. Okay, and I'm just gonna be ending my video today until another time when I come your way. My name is Ida Francis.